Welcome back to the worst internet beer reviewer ever. Season 6, episode 5 of 6. We're getting near the end, thank God.
Please disperse. Nothing to see here, please.
Hope you believe in God. This is a Resurgence Brewing Company out of Buffalo, New York. Loganberry Wit. It's basically a wheat beer, a wit beer. We'll see what it tastes like. I think I might have reviewed this before. It's 4.2% ABV. Yeah, and it calls it a wheat beer brewed with Loganberry. Let's get on with it, see what it's all about. I did think I reviewed this in the past, but I'm not sure. And the color of that. It almost looks like a Loganberry. I think Loganberry's not around all regions of the country. I'm not sure about that. The foam is pink. Pinkish. Smells like...
Stop. Get some help.
We hold these truths to be self-evident. All men and women created by you know the thing.
What the hell is even that?
What an idiot. Fuck.
Why would you? Oh, it smells fruity, very fruity. I guess that would be the Loganberries. It's got some bubbles to it, not too bad. The head was two fingers fading quick. That could be because of my dirty glass. Beer dirty, that is, not filthy. So on with the taste. Not my favorite, but boy, she's got a nice taste of the Loganberry. Not bad. I think last time I didn't rate it that good. This one was sitting around for 2 years, I think, in the back of the fridge with that other one I just reviewed there, that Hoptail beer from 2019. This has a nice taste in the back of the throat. No hop. Virtually no hop. It's either gotten better or my taste buds have changed, because this is pretty pleasurable. 4.2%. I don't know what to say about it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 7. That's up there.
I gotta try that.
Yeah, the wife's gonna have to try it because she didn't like it last time. So I'm gonna pass it on to her for a quick taste test here.
It does taste better than the last time.
I know. It's almost 2 years old. You get a wheat taste. You definitely get a wheat taste out of it. Well, would I buy it again?
Maybe.
If it tasted like this, yes, I would. Maybe the first time around she was stronger. I don't know what I'm talking about. Why would I?
What an idiot.
But not too bad. Very refreshing on a hot day. And once again, we're like 86 degrees here and 87% humidity, and we're sweating them where we sweat them. How you doing there? So yeah, we're gonna finish this and. The smell is pretty good. So from the worst beer reviewer ever, I guess I'm getting better because this is not too shabby. It's Loganberry Wit by Resurgence Brewing Company out of Buffalo, New York. That's where I live. We're out on the outskirts of it. How you doing? We sure get the snow from there. So Until next time, I'm going to call this, I'll just say a 7, and I would buy it again and stay refreshed. So stay thirsty, friends. Why wouldn't you? Not all that bad. Loganberry from Resurgence. Loganberry wit. Absolutely crazy. I never thought I would like it. I think I reviewed it last time, and I thought I gave it a bad rating. Pretty tasty on a hot day. Nice pool beer. So, I guess until next time, I guess I'm getting better. I hope not. Stay thirsty. You guys can check it out if you want, but why would you?